Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ravi Sosa Antonio from Cagayan, Philippines. I'm 25 years old and I'm happy married with one daughter ages of 7. I'm senior high graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, gardening, and many more. I have work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 4 years, taking with one couple and one child ages of 4. My main duties and responsibilities as a housemaid is to clean the house, cooking, wash the dishes, sending their child to the school, helping her homeworks, and do other household chores. I want to work in Hong Kong to sustain my family needs and to my future of my daughter. I will take good care of elderly, babies, or toddlers. The things that I can do with them is to love them and serve them as my family. To my dear employer, please choose me as your housemaid. I promise I'll do my best and finish my contract and to serve you and looking forward to work with you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.